The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 316, effective until 10 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Maryland, Carroll, and Frederick. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.